Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra. The most used scenario is we have to write put a signature in a document, okay, like PDF or in Word document, okay. So how to achieve this scenario, okay? From Power Apps, we will create a document and upload a signature by using Power Apps, okay. So let's see how to create this. For this, we will use Power Apps V2 connector, okay. First, I will explain you the scenario. So this is my application, okay, simple demo application I have created here. So let's we play this. So here I have taken pane input and also the attachment control. So you can be do as per your wish if you want to use a pane input or both. For both scenarios, flow is same, okay. Let's we check it for, okay. So let's we check for the pane input. So let's we trigger our flow. So our flow is running. You can be see to the back end, okay. So to our document, you can be see our in the document we uploaded signature, okay. So here I will let's zoom it out. So here you can be see we are uploaded a signature here. So how to achieve this, let's we see, okay. Before that I just okay, so let's we go and we will take one new screen here, okay. And I simply just copy this header controls and other things, so it will not waste your time. So I just simply copy and everything we will do here in from the scratch, okay. So from insert I just go and add an pane input. Let's we take one pane input. Let's we take one form here, okay, because we want attachment also. So let's we take one form. So here we are taken the form as edit form we are taken. Let's provide some data source to this form. Let's I provide SharePoint data source list 2, okay. Why we are providing this data source? Because we want attachment control. Like here you can be see, here I have taken data card value 3, this attachment control we want, okay. So simply I just go to the advanced setting, unlock this card, okay, and simply cut cut this card and just delete the form here, okay. So let's by using control V, we will paste this attachment control and a little bit I make it small by using. Let's close this, close this. We'll remove all the errors here, okay, that are showing. Simply remove all the errors. So all errors are removed, okay. So let's we take one button here, button. Let's we change this for chain input and we will add one more button, okay. Attach and okay. Okay. Now let's we write some signature here, create. So let's we create a signature here. Okay. So up to this, everything is okay, easy. Let's we close this. Let's we go to the Power Automate flow. Let's create a new flow. Simply let's create a flow. Click on the create flow. Let's provide a name to our flow, signature 2, and let's add here one compose action, and here one we will take input, one file input we will take, okay. Simply And if you have to take some other inputs like text or other thing, so for that we also take one text input also. Okay, so providing name, other things. And let's we add here hi, and just we will say our flow here simply. We will create this flow in the Power Automate. Okay, so simply we are adding this flow in our application. Okay, now you can be see our flow is adding to our application. It takes some time. Still the time I just open the Power Automate. So this is our old flow. Okay, this type of flow we are creating here. So I just take it in front. Okay, let's we go to the my flows. In the my flows, just go in the signature 2. We will try to use our classic studio. So here we delete this compose action and let's add a new step here. We use create a file here. Okay, first to store our file. So let's we use OneDrive connection here. Create file. Let's we provide some folder path here. Just click on this icon in the root. I have created our signature folder here. Just give the folder file name we have to provide. Okay, simply we just click on the power fx, then we will use trigger body. Okay, use question mark, use curly braces, then use file, that provide one more question mark, and then we will use name. This output we will provide here. Okay, and just click on the save. Means from this trigger body we are taking the name of our file. So just click on the dynamic content and we will use file content. Let's click on the new step here. Then we will take the file content from OneDrive connection. We'll use your OneDrive file content we want. So let's we search for file content. Get file content action we will add here. Let's provide ID here from the first step. Here you can be see we are open our Microsoft Word in Windows. Now we let's create a new file here and just click on the blank document. Okay, after that in the when you have blank document, just go to the files. In the files, click on the more. In the more, just open the options. In the options, click on the customize ribbon. In the customize ribbon, you can be see here one option developer. Just turn on this developer option and just click on the OK. Then you will be able to see this developer section in your file. Okay, I simply just copy this text here using Control C and Control V. I paste it and let's add here plain text. So here we are added a plain text here. Now let's add this part also using paste Control V and just we add one signature. Let's we use save our file by using save as. We save our file in the local drive and just click here certificate 1 and let's we save our file. So we will use this certificate template, okay, in our document library. So I just go to our document library here, okay. In the SharePoint, any library you can be select. There is a no problem. So we just use file from document. We upload certificate 1. So our certificate is uploaded. We utilize this template and create our add signature. We'll go and search for Word select Microsoft Word Online, Populate Microsoft Word template. We select the location here. In our case, we have the Microsoft Power Platform location, SharePoint site where we store our, in that document library is document, and let's we select our file here. So file is certificate one. After that, it will auto populate the our file tag and the text. Okay, so let's we go and give the content here. And after that, we will provide the name, and let's we save our flow. So after saving the flow, let's we test it for one time. Let's click on the test. So let's import our file here. Let's we add here one PNG JPG file signature. Signature we are added here. Provide my name Ravi. We just run the flow. Click on the done. Our flow is running. So our template was created. So we have to save this template into an OneDrive or anywhere. So let's we click on the edit. Let's we use create file action. We provide the folder path. Just click on this plus icon, select on the root. Here I have created signature folder. Let's we provide that. That we will give the file name here, name, and provide the file content. So we will use this content here. Then we will use convert file. Convert file. This preview feature we will use convert file. Then we will pass the ID of our create file to and convert it into PDF. So let's we save our flow and then test it manually. Then let's we import one of our signature and just add my name Ravi. We run our flow. Let's click on the done. So our flow is running. File is created. Okay, so in the convert file, we get an error here. Okay, so why this errors came? Let's we read that. Not acceptable. The file conversion of this file PDF is not supported. Input format supported JPG. So okay, so here in the create file, we have to provide the extension here, or manually we can be type signature our app dot docx, and now let's test it. Save and test. Just click on save and test. Okay, here our flow. We go one step back and see the run history. We just click 2 times, so that's why it takes some time. So you can be see our file is converted. We have created a file here also. Signature PowerApps docs. Let's we go and open our OneDrive connection. So we can be see our signature, how our signature was generated. So let's go to the OneDrive. Let's go to the folders. Click on the signature. Let's we refresh this, or there is no need. So this signature docs we are just converted. You can be see here photo is also added and signature JPG. The text is added here. Okay. So let's we go to the run history. Just click on the edit. Let's open the Microsoft Word template. Here we are provided wrong input. Let's we remove this. Provide the input from PowerApps. This input we have to provide here. After that we will create file here. File action we will use here because our file is in document, so we have to create that file. We provide the path for file here. Simply root signature. File name. Take dynamic content. Convert file. We will use this file name and content as well. After that, we will use this found PowerApps action in the flow. So and just add here file. Type here file. Then we will go to dynamic content and use here file content. Let's we copy this, go to the expression, then we'll paste file content, convert file. From here we want only the content, so let's we do question mark, provide dollar sign and type content. So let's we check in our previous flow we have provided same input or not. So in the content, let's we go here, copy this, and in the expression let's we paste it. Yeah, so we have provided correct body, convert file, question mark, content. Body, convert file, question. Just click on the OK and remove this. So now our flow is ready. Let's we save this our flow and we will go this time to Power Apps without wasting too much time. Now we will add here formulas. Okay, so simply I just copy the formulas from our previous flows. Okay, without wasting too much time. I explain these formulas to you also, so no worries. And this formula also I provide into the comment box as well. So just paste it out here. Okay. Then we'll use our select pen control, copy the name of our pen control and simply use here. So here we will change our flow name as well. So our flow name was signature. So it is asking for text first. So let's we add one here text input. Set the text input here. Copy the name of text input. Go to the formula. Just click here. Text input one dot text. Then asking comma. Then it is asking the file record. So here we have provided the record. And we will change the name of our variable Ravi. This time we will use GBL response. and we will navigate to new screen here. Add one more screen here, fourth screen. In this screen we will use PDF viewer. We will add this PDF viewer here. Let's make it big. So we can be view our PDF. We will go and refresh our flow in our Power Apps and just go to the our screen and just see the GPR response. Okay, so this is record type. Okay, if it is came in boolean means you are forgot to add this step here. Okay, now let's we test our flow. So we have to navigate to screen 3 here and we will copy our name here. So this is we are running for the Peninput. Provide the name here. Ravindra, I am Jadhav. So let's test it. So our flow is running. You can be see flow is run successfully, but we are not navigate. Okay, so let's see what's happened to our flow. Let's we go to back signature. This is our old flow. This is our new flow. So our flow is failed. Let's see why our flow is failed. In the create file, our flow is failed. What it is saying? Conflict. Okay, means this file is already present, so that's why it's give error. So we have to go here. We will use here UTC now. Let's we add it here. Let's save our flow and then rerun our flow. Let's test it. Our flow is running. You can be see here. Second time also, I think flow is failed. See why. Our flow is failed. Okay, we are not added here navigate. Okay, so let's we go to the Peninput and see the response here. File and we are get this data here. Okay, the screen 3 why we are not navigate. Oh, screen 4. So this is the issue here. So that's why we are not navigate. In the PDF viewer, we'll go the document. We'll use our variable name gbl response dot file. So here you can be see our certificate is generated now, and let's test it for the attachment control as. So simply we just copy the same formula here and paste it here. Okay. For that, here we will go select our attachment control. Use this data card value. Okay. In the attachment control, we simply just remove this. Use first, then use attachment data card dot attachments. Close this. Give dot, and then we will use value. Same thing we do here. Just copy this. Using Control C, Control V will paste, and then here we will use name. So let's test this out also. We will use attachment. We'll add this signature and just run our flow. So our flow is running in the backend. It taking some time. You can be see our flow is run and we are get our response certificate of appreciation, and this is our signature that we are uploaded, and this is my name. Other parts you can be do, and I just show you the our OneDrive file also. Here you can be see this is our final file here. You can save this attachment in the SharePoint as well, okay, by just adding some more actions here, okay, like create, add attachment. These steps you can be do here and add the files. If you have any question or doubt, you can be asked into the comment box. Okay, I try to solve your questions, and if you have some suggestions for me, please provide into the comment box. I will work on it and I will improve myself.